your foot on my hand. Foot on my hand, I'll hold you. I got you. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah, this ain't fair to my arms, like they're cramping up.
You're good.
Did what Jacob did, just go.
Well,
you're going. You see what you let that little go.
You're committed, bro.
Come on. Go, Daddy. Go,
Dad?
dude, the backs of my arms have knocked it.
Walk.
Honestly, my shoulders and my elbows.
There's so many excuses going on.
No,
Just catch
You
yourself.
know this is going. You know this is going on YouTube.
You see where Jacob's knees at?
We're live on YouTube right now.
There's a dent where he's at, and then you can put your foot there, and then you can come down.
Shit, this shit's gonna make the video itself. Wilkins Outdoor Adventures. Oh, this is gonna be comedy. Here we go.
Not a good idea.
Oh no, that's not a good idea.
What are you doing, Chad?
He's gonna go around.
Chad.
Come on, Chad.
He made me go down it.
no.
It's not even that far down.
Are you going, Michael?
Excuses going
Okay,
on.
come on.
No, seriously.
Come on, Mom.
Now, crap.
Daddy, go. Daddy, do this for your daughter.
Chad?
Good job, Michael.
Okay, now if you fall, you're
Oh yeah, that was a smarter idea.
if you fall, you're gonna crack something.
Chad, that's slick.
Victoria.
Be careful, baby.
I'm not scared about sliding down that hill. My arm, like seriously?
Victoria.
Well, put your arms up. You got Jacob.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my arms up.
You'll be all right, Chad. If you'll come down this way, put your hands up. You'll be all right. I'll catch you.
How long has this
promise.
thing been recording?
A little while.
Yeah, that's gonna hurt.
Chad,
Hurry up, my battery's about to die.
That's what
I like this.
I'm trying to wait.
Chad,
on
you're
your-
gonna hurt yourself now going down that way.
Yeah, that shit's gonna hurt, and I'm gonna go viral.
Why don't you sit there on that rock and then come down?
Yeah, I think that's my best bet. I'm gonna get wet.
No.
If you get wet, then you get
Yeah.
I'm not watching that.
Your viral video was already me sliding down.
Well, we didn't get that though.
Yeah, nobody got
Okay, now if you fall,
Oh yeah, that was a smarter idea.
you're gonna get hit by the
I
waterfall.
won't be able to.
I'm not scared about sliding down that hill.
I got a bug in my nose.
Well, put your arms up. Oh, that's gonna hurt when you fall.
I'm kind of stuck.
The only thing I can tell you to do, Chad, is step right there.
Put your foot up against that rock.
Yeah, why don't you sit again?
Really?
There to there.
Yeah, sit.
Victoria.
Well, that's a
Oh!
I was like this, so.
Here,
I need the best angle for this viral video.
I'm gonna catch you. You're gonna bust your ass.
You are.
yeah. I don't know.
Love, you should be healthy.
I can't help.
You're coming.
I gotta record it.
Put your foot all the way back where Jacob's is.
Right.
Here, give me your other hand.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Jake,
Chad?
get down on your ass.
Just slide
Oh man, that's gross.
You're already down.
down. Oh my
Chad.
gosh.
Do we have any towels in the car?
Take your step, Chad.
No, we
At least you can't hurt yourself now.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Just take your step.
TK, I hate you.
I'm getting wet over here.
He can't have enough. I'm kind of stuck. The only thing I can tell
Oh
you
my
to do,
gosh.
Chad, is step right there. Put your
I'm gonna
foot
pull
up
you.
against that rock.
Step down, right there.
There.
Now, step on that. That's slick.
Yeah, but my
Be
God.
careful.
You're
You're almost there. You're gonna eat it. You're gonna fall on your ass right there. That's the worst part right there.
thank goodness, baby.
Damn it. I'm not going viral.
Keep it going.
Oh gosh. Jacob.
What are you doing?
Just to go viral.
Follow him and befriend him.
Okay, I'm gonna move in case he comes flying.
And Tom did enough.
You got it?
Yeah. Hey, that wasn't as good as last time. But...
That's slick. Yeah, be careful.